Hello, my little Easter bunnies. I hope you're having a great long weekend. Happy Easter to all of you. So this video is highly requested. How to moisturize your flat ironed hair. I'm gonna jump right into this video. No use in blathering away, but before I get started, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell next to the subscribe button. Let's dive right into this. So my first moisturize and seal video confused a lot of people. They thought that they could use things like the Luster's S-Curl Curl Activating Moisturizer on already flat ironed hair, silk pressed hair, so on and so forth. But water-based moisturizers like that cause your hair to revert. If you want to keep your flat ironed, shiny, straight locks, the optimal moisturizers for already flat ironed hair are lightweight oils and serums. So I usually use oils only when I'm moisturizing and sealing after a wash and go, such as me washing my hair and just throwing it into a bun afterwards. The next day when it's, pretty much dry, then I'll start using water-based moisturizers like the S-Curl Curl Activating No Drip. God, I hate that name. The Luster's S-Curl Moisturizer in my hair, because it doesn't matter if my hair reverts or not. Most of the serums I use and most of the serums I've tried are lightweight to begin with. And I just want to add in a little note here. When I get my hair freshly straightened, when I want to moisturize my hair, I'll only add the serums to the ends because I don't want the serums to weigh down my hair at all. Usually, the first week after straightening my hair is so flat to my head that, I don't even wear it out too much anyways. I'll have it up in a bun or a twist. Then I'll go ahead and add the serums to the full head of hair. But when I wear it out, I'll just do it at just the ends to not weigh down the hair because you want to keep that bounce. Full disclosure here, because I'm a lazy YouTuber, I've only curled the front of my hair. The back is pretty ridiculous. Full transparency. Anyways, let me show you some of the lightweight serums that I use in my hair. So when I shop for serums, I look for ones that explicitly say that they're lightweight, add shine, and stop frizz. One way to stop frizz, or one way to stop your hair from reverting during the week or so that you have it flat ironed or straightened or whatever, is to use anti-humectant products. So shampoos and conditioners and leave-ins that don't draw too much water to your hair, so that, especially in the summer, so that it doesn't frizz out even more. Now, personally, I really like moisturizing, humectant-like conditioner, shampoos, and hair products because I always want my hair to be sleek and straight looking. That's my preference. But if you have a problem with frizz at all, maybe that's something that you want to consider. But if you have dry damaged hair, go ahead and use your very moisturizing, humectant-like hair products. So this is going to be a pretty quick video. Most of the serums that I use are pretty much the same in their chemical makeup and the benefits that they give you. There's one oil that I've included here because I just love this stuff. Not only does it work really great, it is heavier than the other serums, but it is pretty lightweight and is a fantastic sealant if you want to moisturize your hair if you're washing and going and you don't care about reversion or anything like that. All right. Serum number one. So serum number one is the one that I reach for the most, and that's Paul Mitchell's Super Skinny Serum. I love it. It smells like, me and my fragrance. It smells sort of like green apples, like Jolly Ranchers. Love it. It's very lightweight. A little goes a long way. I have had this bottle for at least a year, and that's all I've used. It says, I believe, use 2 pumps on your hair, but I don't think you need that much. I have a lot of hair and it's long enough, and I find 2 pumps is a little too much. So I use 1 pump. There we go. Rub it into my hands, and you see it looks kind of greasy, but it's not. And I just run it through the hair lightly, okay? Ta-da! So that's all it takes. And I always do this actually at night, and then I'll wrap my hair and go to bed. I feel that gives it a chance to sink in, soak in, and do its thing. If I wake up in the morning and I feel it needs a little bit more moisturization, I will put some on in the AM as well. It doesn't really matter. I always like my hair to look healthy, shiny, but I'm also really big on movement. I hate when my hair is out and I've got waves or curls like this and it just doesn't move. You don't want a helmet. I feel like helmet hair never looks good unless you're like on Fox News and you like the helmet hair look. I didn't just say that. All right, the next serum that I really like is Oribe's Gold Lust Nourishing Hair Oil. So that's right, this is an oil, but I feel it's very, very lightweight and it acts like a serum. Again, a little goes a long way, and that's important because this stuff is liquid gold and it costs the same as liquid gold. So, you know, you don't want to waste it. So this is more of a treatment actually. The instructions say that you apply it to damp hair and then you go ahead and style as you wish. But I use this in a pinch to hydrate and moisturize my flat ironed hair. It doesn't cause it to revert, and sometimes I'll use it as a sealant also on those days where I've washed and gone and you know, just need a good oil. So here's another oil that I feel acts like a serum as well. I've been using this for years. I really, really like it. It's the Kerastase Discipline Oleo Relax Advanced Morpho Whirl. I wonder how these people come up with these names. You ever wonder why product names are so long? I'm gonna look into that. I'm pretty sure it's a marketing tactic. So like I said, I've been using this for years. Again, it acts a bit like a treatment. On days where I feel that my hair is a little dry and needs a little help, if I want something really reparative, this is the one that I reach for. When I apply it to my hair, especially before bed, I wake up with the softest hair. And you know, I've always read and I've always understood that oils do not moisturize hair. They seal in the moisture of hair, but I don't know, when I use this, my hair just feels great the next day. It's super soft, it feels really, really healthy, and I truly feel that since I've started using this more often, my hair looks and feels better. So another serum that I adore, it's one of my all-time favorites, is Pureology's Serious Color Care Hydrate Shine Max. This one is perfect if you really want to boost the shine. It's a great moisturizer, I feel. Again, a little goes a long way. This one I feel is greasier than the other serums, but it's not too bad. You know when I use this actually? When I put my hair into a ponytail or a bun, and then I'll add some serum to it because it'll make your hair shine like a mirror. It is so, so good. Great in a pinch. Since it's a little heavier and greasier, this one I tend to use if my hair's out on the, you know, like bottom half of my hair so it doesn't weigh down the hair from the root and make your hair look flat. I'm sorry guys, I walk the dog. I'm a little greasy and hot. I swear, I feel like I'm in menopause. I'm having a hot flash. Stop talking, Dominique. Anyways, so yeah, I really, really like this one. I find, okay, I'm gonna be honest here. This is the least expensive, the Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum of all of these serums that I'm featuring, but I find serums are really, really expensive. You know, I'm in Canada, so these are in Canadian dollars. I think this was 50 bucks, and this is, I think, 50 to 60 as well. This one's between 30 and 40, and this one I think is 60 to 70. They're quite expensive. They really get you with the serums. But these ones that I've shown you work really, really well. I adore them all. Let me stress that you don't have to go out and buy all of these unless you want to. These serums, a little goes a long way. Just read the labels, make sure it suits your need, and then pick one and buy it. Don't buy four. They all pretty much work the same. The oil that I really love, that I'm blasting through, is Gisou's Honey-Infused Hair Oil. So this is my oil of choice when I moisturize and seal my hair, when I don't care about reversion, but I will use this again. So these two are the oils and serums that I use if my hair feels particularly dry and needs some help. I just think it's so, so nice. That Megan Mercier, he really, like, she hit it out of the park with this one. The consistency is like honey. It is very, very thick. It's viscous. And, you know, a little goes a long way with this one as well. I'm gonna buy another bottle during the Sephora sale that's coming up in about a week or so because I absolutely love this. It just does such a great job. It also smells really elevated and lovely and, like, you know, kind of not juvenile, like a lot of the scents that you get in shampoos and conditioners at the drugstore, you know, tutti frutti and bubble gum and great cocktail. Like, no, I just want to smell like money. I just want to smell like the beautiful 43-year-old woman that I am. And this just fits the bill. Absolutely lovely. Again, if my hair's flat ironed, I would only use this on my ends because it's quite heavy and viscous. It's not sticky, but it is heavy and greasy. And this will weigh down your hair if you're putting it on your hair from root to tip every single day. So I've got one more bonus product for you guys, the Indigo Luster Glow, but it's like a thick hair grease. So those of you who have Texlax hair, this is a great option. It's thick and heavy, but it will not weigh down your hair. It does a great job at smoothing hair, making hair shiny. You'll still have movement with this. You only need like a pea-size amount, warm it up in between your hands and run it through your hair. I use this and I concentrate it on my ends. I use this again when my hair is super dry. I'll use it on the nape of my neck when I find those hairs get really dry because, you know, they get wet in the shower. So on and so forth. They're just annoying. But this has been a real gem at, you know, repairing my hair, hydrating my hair, so on and so forth. And I will tell you guys that what I do is I wash my hair weekly. And most times I just wash and go, throw it up into a bun. But the odd times I will, you know, when I want to look awesome, I will flat iron my hair, curl my hair, so on and so forth. By the 5th or 6th day, so I like right up to when I need to wash my hair, that's when I'll start using this stuff. And, you know, I'll use, let's say, 2 pea-sized amounts and put it in the palm of my hand and really work it through my hair and then just put my hair up into a bun. Like, I'll use it when my hair starts to look kind of greasy and whatever. During that time, I don't mind because, you know, it's already getting greasy. Why not use a little extra moisturization and hydration? This is fabulous. I really love this product. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you have any questions about how to moisturize your already flat ironed hair, please send them along. If you have any other tips too, please send them. I would love to know what you guys are doing to moisturize your flat ironed hair. If you enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up. I would love that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am on Instagram, dominique.baker, so please follow me there. Lots of beauty and fashion inspo there, and I really need to start posting more hair inspo there as well. Anyways, I love seeing you guys. I hope you guys have a great Easter. See you in the next video. Mwah!